Oh, John here. Yeah, I got to change the blades in my porter cable planer. They got a little damage to both blades, so we're gonna change it up. Back in a moment. First thing to do is remove the screws on the dust hood. Take the dust hood off completely. And I always put these screws right back in the hole, because otherwise they have a tendency to want to get lost, and I don't want to have to hunt for them. Okay, this planer has two blades. Have to be real careful because they are sharp, and the blades are on the leading edge here. And we have to just take out these set screws, and not set screws, just screws. And we get down to the blades and flop them around. A new set of blades costs, you know, $35–40. So I'll see if I can get a little more out of them. I'm just going to be doing some rough planing, so even though I know the other side is used, it's not damaged like the side that I've got up now is badly damaged, so I can't use it anymore. But I'll put those crappy ones back on, and we'll see if we can get away with that for rough planing some lumber. Now the reverse of what we started, we'll remove the screws that we put there for safekeeping. Check make sure everything's good with the planer cover here. This is the dust cover. Where you can hook it up to your dust collector, and it's not sawdust comes out of here, it's shaving, it chips, like long stringy chips, and they like to clog up any kind of a collector you put it on, but it's certainly better than just letting it fly all over the place. So there we go. Other than cranking this thing all the way up to the top, can't close this bottom thing here unless you crank it all the way up. A pain, but there we go. All set.